Potato recipes is something that we all love and enjoy, and adding to that is another great dish, which is Jeera Aloo. This makes for a great side dish, so let's get started and check out the recipe. For the Jeera Aloo, take a nice white pan, add 1 tablespoon of oil, 1 tablespoon of ghee. To this I am going to add 1 tablespoon of jeera. Next, add 2 green chillies chopped, a piece of ginger pound, after 2 minutes add half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Keep the flame on low. Half teaspoon roasted cumin powder, 2 teaspoons dry mango powder or amchur powder. Make a coarse powder of 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds and 4 red chillies. I am adding this coarse coriander and red chilli flakes mixture. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix everything. Keep the flame on low while doing this. You don't want to burn the masala. Next, I am going to add 4 large potatoes that have been boiled. Peel the skin and cut into medium-sized pieces. Gently mix them so the masala coats the potatoes. So you can see the potatoes are coated beautifully with the masala. Close the pan and cook on low flame for about 10 minutes. Wow, the Jeera Aloo looks fantastic and the aroma is amazing. Now I'm finally going to garnish it with some chopped coriander leaves. Now this is a very simple potato dish and it's got a lot of flavors. Turn off the stove, gently mix it and serve it hot. So there you go, here is this delicious Jeera Aloo which can be had with rotis, chapatis, and it also makes for a very nice lunchbox recipe. So do try this and enjoy. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on 21 Frames.